So we've got power and water at the showground for $25. Dave's just parking up against the pole. That'll do us. Pub's just over there between the trees. That's the caretakers. And we've got water and power on this side for 25 bucks a night. Hey guys, here we are at Finch Hatton Gorge this morning. We're going to take a 4.2 kilometre walk up to the Wheel of Fire. This is the Finch Hatton Gorge map. We are here. So we're going to follow this little dotted line all the way up to the Wheel of Fire, which is 4.2 k's return, and then slowly walk our way back and have a really good look around. Moderate level of fitness required for uphill sections and a long section of stairs. But apparently once you get up there, it's very rewarding. It's approximately 8:30 in the morning. So we're going to head up and work our way back.
It's a fairly nice walk. It's all uphill, obviously downhill on the way back, which is a bonus. But the walking track is fairly well cleared. There's stairs where you need them, and you just take your time. Beautiful rainforest type vegetation. Oz has got a jumper on. I think she's mad because she's going to have to take it off to come back. But as you can see, the track is quite easy. So we're roughly at the halfway mark. Roz has now taken off her jumper. And
well, it was cool.
If you go that way, that takes you down to the Araluan Cascades, which is only 410 metres. And we're going to go that way to the Wheel of Fire, which is 1.1 k's. That's the way that we came from. So I'm guessing it was 4.6 return. There's only 1.1 to go. We've come a couple of k's already. But here's the little map and the legend. So yeah, there you have it. We'll go back down that way on our way back. A few steps. The old baby calves, or baby cows, the calves, are actually starting to moo a bit.
The waterfall is getting louder and louder as we get closer up the track.
Callistemon.
However you say that, we're at the crossing.
I'd say it's Callistemon.
It means weeping bottle brush. Wheel of Fire is 700 metres ahead. Oh, it's looking beautiful already.
Okay, you got a water crossing coming up.
Oh shit.
Watch yourself. Hey guys, this here is what we call gimpy. Alright, it's a stinging nettle. This is all through the Tully training area where we used to go in the army. Alright, it's a heart-shaped leaf and it looks really nice, but it has all these little stinging nettles on it. When you touch them, or if you even brush the branch, the nettles fall out of the plant and into you, and they go into your skin. It just lets air go inside your skin and it is extremely painful. Alright, they last for hours and hours. We used to stick tape over them to stop the air going in and try and use tape to pull the nettles out, or a bit of magnoplasm. Alright, so just realise that they are around here. Keep your eye out. People don't know what they are, Right, as it says here, stinging trees are small trees to a 4 metre high with large heart-shaped leaves with serrated edges and whites to red fruit resembling raspberries. So don't get them mixed up, alright? Very painful. If I see one, I'll put it on film. This stuff here, I don't know its technical name, but if you have a look, it's got little sharp barbs on it. We used to call this wait a while. I've seen 120 kilo guys running through the J, get caught up in this stuff in their uniform and suspend them off the ground. It is that strong. And instead of trying to push through it, it just rips in. You're better off backing up, taking it out, or using secateurs and pruning your way through. It is an absolute pain in the butt. Alright, wait a while. Here's the tree that I'm pulling now. I heard a story once of an American guy that was visiting up in Tully and went to the toilet, grabbed the old heart-shaped leaf to wipe his backside, and that was the end of him. Very painful. Just beautiful. No one's around. Might get my gear off and go for a skinny dip. Would you just check this out? How nice is that? We're heading up to the top and I'll bring you with us. I think we're getting to the top. There's Ros back down there, taking a tight little bung knees, and you can hear me, I'm breathing fairly heavy. Good little workout. Probably advisable to bring a 600ml water or something. I just thought there'd be plenty of water here. I'll drink it. Bit of Bear Grylls style. Maybe if I'm drinking my own piss though. Oh, I think I just found some gimpy. Heart-shaped leaf, and the stinging nettles are underneath it. That's the stuff you don't want to grab. I go under a big one. I'll just wait for Ros, so I don't want her to go grabbing it. She'll know all about it if she does. Whew, lucky I just spotted that. So yeah, it's doesn't look much. There's a nasty little bite. Look at that stick holding the rock up. Yeah, it's clear. Alright, I'm taking it, this is it. I think it was nicer down the back there. Oh, there's a little waterfall. Males aged 18 to 30. Well, that's not me because I'm 51, but we'll read it anyway. Every person who has died climbing these cascades has been a fit, strong young man aged 18 to 30. Yep, doesn't count me. If they did not survive, what chance do the rest of us have? So male in his 20s in 76, 23 in 89, 20 in 2003, 28 in 2010. The last one was June 2012, he was 25. Many others have scuffed, serious, permanent and crippling injuries. Righto, there you go. I'm 51, so I'm good to go. Wheel of Fire. While the name may sound confusing near so much water, the falls and rock pools here are named after the Queensland firewheel trees towering above you along the way. In spring, the summer, they show red flowers set the place ablaze. There's your red flowers. Righto, let's go down for a sticky. Don't try this at home, I'm a trained professional.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
And here we have it in the wild at Finch Hatton Gorge.
Tell you what, if the young fella was small, it's going to be small by the time we get out of here. Here we go. Oh. Oh, Jesus.
Bit fresh?
Oh, yes. Oh, Jesus.
Wait for solar?
Oh, refreshing. Actually, it's not too bad when I'm out. Nice and warm. Ooh.
Watch out for those platypuses.
Oh, well, I've done it.
I just touched Dave's skin and it's absolutely freezing. But he feels better. So Dave's finished his swim at Finch Hatton Gorge. He's just air drying on the way back down the track because he'll stop off for another swim. Talk about nature.
Well, feeling very refreshed after that little dip. We're heading down to the Araluan Cascades, or whatever it was called, I can't quite remember, but it's only it was 410 metres I think from the actual turn off, so we'll head down there, we'll have a squiz. Don't think I'll bother getting in again. My body temperature's quite cooled down, and honestly, it was very refreshing. Great for your aches and joints. So here we are, we're down at the Araluan Cascades. Not a bad little spot for a swim, especially in summer. Look at that pool view. Yeah, not a bad little spot. Alright, we'll head off from here and make our way back to the truck and get out of here. I'll just go up to this little viewing platform up here. There you have it. Beautiful in summer, I'd say. And pretty packed with locals. Well, we'll head on back now. See you on the other side.
decided to head up Eungella Range, up to the lookout, and give you a look of the view up there.
There's a pub up there that we're going to do called the Chalet, but you can see the road up ahead, zigzags backwards and forwards, and it's fairly steep. There's cabins up here, very steep climb. So here we are at what they call the Chalet, and it's an old pub up on the hills. But over here there's like a Lord of the Rings thing. We're going to have a feed up here, we're going to have a beer, because it'd be rude not to have a beer. But yeah, she's a little sort of a mushrooms, and I don't know if that's meant to be ganged off. It's pretty cool, carved out of wood. It's a dragon. Nice little, was a tree. Very, very cool artwork. Have a go at this. On a clear day, she's a little bit cloudy out there, a little bit hazy, but you can actually see the ocean and see the ships out there over night time. I reckon I can just see the ocean in the far distance, but it sort of blends in with the sky, obviously being the same colour. But what a view. Got a bit of a ramp here. I don't know if it's for, I'd say it's for hang gliders and stuff like that. She's closed at the moment. People sitting up there eating lunch.
Let's go have coffee and scones.
Coffee and scones. I'm going for a beer and chocolate. So a little bit more of the pub. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video on Finch Hatton Gorge and Eungella. Right, we enjoyed it while we're here. The swim was very refreshing and very cold. Make sure that you like, subscribe and hit the notification bell and you'll get all our latest content. We're over the 5,000 now, so thank you very much for those that have subscribed. If you feel, pass on to the rest of your friends that want to watch YouTube or like YouTube, get our name out there and help us get to 10,000. Okay, it is that time again. Joke time with Dave. Hey Roz.
Hey yeah.
Oh, so enthusiastic.
Oh, hey yeah, Dave.
What has more letters than the alphabet?
No idea.
A post office. Catches.